In the last video we were right here and said we're gonna jump to exactly here, and what happened, we jumped to our exact target, and I said after that, after we sweep these lows, I'm interested in going long, and I was looking for a sweep of these highs, which was right here. So these were two trades. They were fairly easy for me to take, and the question is what is going to happen now, because price is definitely pumping. And on the daily chart we want to start with a longer outlook. I will not waste a second of your time, so sit back, relax, and let's start. The first thing you'll notice on the daily chart is that we're in an uptrend for basically the better half of 2 weeks. But right now we are retracing. We are retracing strong, and we found a local support at 4.6. So the question is, what is going to happen from here? Well, there's a few things I want to keep in mind. First thing being this level right here, and the second thing being this high right here. So what does this high mean on the daily chart? We want to have the trend lines drawn so we understand what other traders would be looking for when they're taking this, or potentially some other trade. They'll be looking for trades like this, breaking these trend lines. But to break these trend lines, we need to liquidate shorts. To liquidate shorts, we need to look for weak highs. Which are weak highs? Weak highs right here. But at the same time, especially right now, I can see some divergences on VOOX. Basically, price was going up. This momentum is going down. RSI as well. So the first thing I'll do is I'll do a very quick scalp right now from here to potentially here. I'll do it from my phone. ICP. It's not gonna be again a big one. Just looking to get a quick short in, and the goal of this trade, I'm adding it to my trades, would be to take profit around VWAP. So basically right here would be very nice, right? 845 basically. So this is exactly how I'm going to be playing this trade. In particular, I'm looking for a quick short, and then obviously we're going higher, like long term. We're definitely going higher on this position. Here are a few other shorts that I've taken recently in the last hour. I didn't manage to take profit when I was up on those, so now we're adding to these positions, DCAing into them, but I'm pretty happy with what I'm up on. VOOX, we're up to 174 grand. So if you want to follow my trades or learn more from me, I'll have a link in the description down below to my course and signals chat. The course I priced at just 97 bucks. I made it the cheapest course out there, and I'll be adding new stuff for the futures trades. And the signals chat, you'll find my futures trades and meme coin trades. On WEEX, I'll have a link for WEEX in the description down below. You can claim your 20% deposit bonus. Now it's fairly simple. All you gotta do is go in the link in the description down below and sign up for WEEX. They also have nice coupons for you if you want to start out. Love you with all my heart. See you in the next video. Bye.